During a court hearing at Cardiff Crown Court, disturbing details emerged regarding the conditions in which 54 dogs were found at an address on Glyn Terrace in Fochriw, discovered in March 2022. Caerphilly Council officers, along with the police, RSPCA officers, and a vet, conducted the operation. The rooms where the dogs were kept were described as atrocious, with darkness, feces, and urine covering the surroundings. Many of the dogs had dirty and matted hair, while some suffered from flea infestations. The authorities discovered puppy pens that were too small for the number of pups confined within them. The dogs exhibited signs of desperation for attention and play but appeared nervous around people, indicating a lack of socialization. Inside an unventilated bedroom plagued by a heavy infestation of flies, officers found a dozen dogs, several of which were underweight and small. In the dining room, 23 dogs were living without access to water. Additionally, officers found a room where a mother dog was nursing her puppies. Unfortunately, the room was too cold for the young pups, and there was no water available for the mother. It was revealed that the defendants, named Rosalie, Kaylee, and Julie, had made £125,000 from breeding and selling these mistreated dogs. As a result of the court proceedings, Rosalie received a 56-week prison sentence, which was suspended for 12 months. She was also ordered to complete 100 hours of unpaid work. Similarly, Kaylee was sentenced to 56 weeks in prison, suspended for 12 months, along with 100 hours of unpaid work and a rehabilitation course. Julie, on the other hand, received a 42-week prison sentence, suspended for 12 months. All three defendants were banned from keeping animals for the next decade, and an investigation under the Proceeds of Crime Act will be launched to examine their finances.